Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Lasojoni Based Talk. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make 30% profit monthly, how to make 30% profit in a month with Empire X. So Empire X is an online platform whereby you they trade forex on your behalf, and you get paid based on your own capital. So you earn 30% in a month with this bot. So I will be showing you step by step how to get it done, and I will be taking you to a live account to show you how the bot works. So start making money online now. This is the right time for you to start making online. You have no excuse, and there is no need to procrastinate because the solution is here for you now. But before I go deep into this video, once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojoni Based Talk. This channel is created to share with you how some of the ways whereby you can make money online, and it is all for financial education. So I'm giving you financial education at its peak and bringing it down to your doorstep. Okay, if you are new on this channel, it is very important that you subscribe to this channel, and you click on the notification bell. You set it to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video or whenever I have new updates to share with you guys. Okay, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on Lasojoni Based Talk, then don't hesitate to ask through this email, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp, and you can call me on phone. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on some financial education as well. So that is all about that. And if after this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family, for them also to know how to get financial education, in order for them to be financially free, secured and settled, and also to be for them not to fall victim of fraudulent or suspicious online investment. All right, so I welcome you once again to this channel. So what we are considering is how to make 30% profits monthly in a month, not in 3 months, not in 10 months, not in a year, but in 30 days with Empire X. So this is the solution that you might be waiting for. Okay, so quickly let me take you to the dashboard. So this is Empire X. So this is my dashboard. So I will be running the bot for you to know how it works, to see how you earn that 30% in a month. So that 30% is splitted into 1% per day. So you earn 1% of your capital in a month after you might have acquired the bot and you have successfully deposited the necessary capital. So you earn 1%. You can see what I've made so far here. This is a live account. This is one of my accounts, and you can see what I've made in this bot for now. So you can see the invested value, the capital, and you can see how much I've made so far. So I will be running the bot for you now to see how it works. So when you have so as I said earlier, I will be showing you how to run the bot, and I will let you know how efficient it is in making the 1% daily. So the accumulation will be 30% in a month. So let me run the bot for you to see now. So I just start the bot because I can't wait till the 1% is achieved, because I don't want this video to be very lengthy. So I will just show you how it is working. So you earn 1% daily, and when the bot has successfully made 1% daily, it stops automatically. So you can't come again for that day. So there is no room for greediness. Once the 1% is made, then it stops. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can see this is the current balance. This is the current balance. So, and this is how it works. So after it has completely make the 1%, then it will stop trading for that day. So you make 1% of your capital. So the more the capital that you have, then the more what you earn in a month or in a day. So that is how it works. So it is a very reliable bot, and your 30% is guaranteed, provided you have the requirements. And what are the requirements? You need to purchase the bot, and you need to have the minimum capital, which is $500. So that is the minimum capital that you need to run this bot, and you earn daily. So, and you shouldn't miss a day, because it is when you need to initiate the bot, you need to start it. So when you start it, then it's going to stop on its own, but your own work is just to start the bot. So when the bot has made the 1%, it will stop by itself. And make sure you don't lose a day. Okay, so you can see this is how it's trading. This is how it's trading. So it's very, very efficient. So you can even leave it and go and do another thing, unlike the other bots that you can use on binary trading or in forex, because no matter how efficient the bot may be, because this one has been designed to make just 1% of the capital, so it is highly secured and safe. It is highly secured and safe. So there's no how you can alter it. You can't alter how it works. It has been designed and it has been structured that way to make just 1% of your capital. So which makes it easy to make 30% in a month, and it removes any element of greediness in you. So you can see that it has now make 50 cents now, and it's going to $5, because $5 is the 1% of 500. So you just need to have a very good network, because once the network is poor, it's going to stop, or it will reduce the speed. Okay, I think my network is bad here, so let me try to reload the network. So that is how it works. So I don't want to take much of your time about this video. So that is how to make 1% daily, and you make 30% daily profit on your investment, on your capital, because this is not an investment but trading. So, and you can withdraw whenever you have the minimum withdrawal, which is $100, and you can withdraw that monthly as well. So that is how you can make 30% online, as I promised when I started this video. So it is very, very easy. It's very, very possible. The only thing that you need is the right information, which I'm giving to you right now. So many people, they've been looking for a way whereby they can make money easily online, but most of the time they are being defrauded of their labored money. But I'm bringing to you an opportunity that can guarantee 30% of your capital. So it's all about financial education. Alright, so this is where I'm going to stop this video for today. So if you have any question concerning this video, or you like to join, then you can chat me up through my WhatsApp contact here, and also check the description box of this video for more information on how to get this bot, how to set it up, how to run it, and for other information on it. So till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.